welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to learn how to make some delicious shrimp ceviche. I'm super excited to show you guys this recipe. This is my own version of a shrimp ceviche. So if you guys are ready, let's get started. The ingredients that I'm going to be using: cucumber, tomato, jalapeno, mango, red onion, shrimp. I'm using cooked medium shrimp. The seasonings that I will be using will be salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and this is optional. The way that I will be serving my shrimp ceviche is in a tostada. So I got some tostadas here, and I like mine with sour cream, so I have some sour cream as well. I forgot to mention one important ingredient, and that is lemon. We will need lemons to squeeze fresh lemon juice and add that to our shrimp ceviche. The first thing I'm going to do is I am going to cut up the shrimp into smaller pieces. Now that I've cut up my shrimp into smaller pieces, and by smaller pieces, something like this, they don't have to be perfect. So I'm going to transfer these into a deep dish. Now that we added our shrimp into this deep dish, I'm going to pour in some fresh squeezed lemon juice. So we want to make sure that the shrimp is completely covered in the lemon juice. So I'm also going to add salt to my shrimp, some pepper, and garlic. I'm going to give it a quick mix. Now I'm going to cover the shrimp, and this is going to go in the refrigerator for about 1 to 2 hours. It can also go overnight if you'd like, but since we'll be eating this today, I'm going to put it in the refrigerator for about 1 hour. While our shrimp is in the refrigerator for about an hour, I'm going to start cutting up the other ingredients that we will need to incorporate in the shrimp ceviche. Okay, so it's been about an hour since our ceviche has been sitting in the refrigerator, so it's time to take it out. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and add our cucumber, our mango, our tomatoes, our jalapeno, and red onion. I'm just gonna give it a good mix. Okay, and right here you can also give it a try to see if you need to add a little bit more salt, pepper, or garlic. Okay, now it's ready to assemble the tostadas. All right, it's time to give this a taste test. This shrimp ceviche turned out incredible. I love this, especially during a hot summer day right now where I live is super hot outside. So sometimes I don't want to turn on a stove or my oven because it does get a little bit hotter in the house, and I want something refreshing and light. And so this shrimp ceviche is super easy to do, and it's bursting with flavors. Now I like to eat my shrimp ceviche with some sour cream, the tostada, then I add the sour cream, and then I go ahead and add the ceviche, and then I top it off with some Tapatío. That's how I eat it. You don't have to eat it that way. You can just put it in a bowl and munch on it with some chips. But I highly recommend this recipe. It's super delicious. It's great for the summertime. It's refreshing and it's filling as well. Well, thank you guys so much for watching this video. This recipe is incredible. It's full of flavors. It's one of my favorite things to eat, especially during the summertime. Like I mentioned, it's super hot outside and I just wanted something that's light, airy, but also filling. So I figured a shrimp ceviche would be perfect. At first, I was a little intimidated by making shrimp ceviche. It seemed kind of complicated, but it's not that hard. So if I can do it, you guys can do it too. And I'm still new to the kitchen and I'm learning as I go. So I hope you guys enjoy this journey with me. I will leave all of the ingredients and the measurements down below in the description box. And again, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone.